In this video, I'm going to show you how to use integrations in QuickBooks Online. To do this, simply log in to your QuickBooks Online account. After successfully accessing your QuickBooks Online homepage, note that integration is the process of integrating specific applications onto your QuickBooks Online account to improve the experience in using this accounting platform, as well as to manage efficiently your businesses in this platform. So to do that, on the upper right corner of the screen, simply click the dots icon in here that formed a square. In here, you can see the apps that you have integrated into your business. Currently, for this demo company, we can see that we have Shopify, Dex, and online backup application as our integration. But to add more integration, simply click the link for Go to Apps Overview. By doing this, this will provide you the further information about the apps that you have in your QuickBooks Online. So to add more, simply click the Find Apps button. And in here, this will direct you to a page wherein you can browse some applications. In here, you can browse categories, browse industries, and give feedbacks as well. So let's say that we're going to add this specific account, which is the MailChimp. And in here, after opening the specific application, this will provide you further details about the application that we're going to integrate. And since we are currently using a demo company without a subscription, this is currently Learn More. But in this button, when you have subscribed, this is where you add the application to your account. After clicking that, this will direct you to an interface wherein you will process the connection between the account and the application that you will integrate. And that's about it. That's how to use integrations in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.